How to upload your logo to Canva 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Canva and how you can create your very own logo and upload it onto Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to create a design. Now, once you come over to create a design, what you're going to be doing is if you want to upload directly from your computer, you can either click on import file, and once you're on import file, you can upload any file or any image. So let's say I want to upload this logo onto Canva. I'm just going to click on use in a new design. I'm going to choose the custom size and then click on create new design. Now this will take you to Canva's very own design canvas. Now here we are. Now, once your logo is uploaded from here, what you're going to be doing is obviously if you want to remove the background onto this logo, what you can do is either go and click on edit photo. And once you click on edit photo, it's going to open up these things for you and you can simply remove the background, or you can easily go ahead and use an external website that I use, and that website is called remove.bg. Now remove.bg actually goes ahead and removes the background off of your photos for totally free. So just click on upload image, and once you click on upload image, it's going to open this widget up for you. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to choose the PNG that you want to remove the background for. And once you have chosen that PNG, it will automatically remove the background and paste the file over for you. And from there, what you can do is you can actually add it back into your Canva and then add it above any picture you have. Now, moving on, that's obviously how you can add a picture by yourself or add a logo by yourself onto any image or any recurring, element or graphic that we have in Canva. Okay, that is one way of doing things. Now, the other way is to create your very own logo. Okay, so, just go over ahead to the basic canvas section. And over here, what you're going to want to do is you can either set up a color in the background for yourself, or you can stay in the elements section and find a good element that fits into your design. So let's say I want to go ahead and add a different color for myself. Now I'm going to click on this blank canvas and I'm going to go ahead and add a color. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add a peach color over here, right? Now in this peach color, I want to go ahead and add some text and elements because let's say the brand I want to create a logo for is a car brand, okay? So I'm going to add it like this. And over here, what you can do is you can actually start adding texts. Now I want to go ahead and add a good chic font. So let's go ahead with this one. This one looks pretty good. So I'm going to choose this font. And once the font is added, you can go ahead and write the font or text of your choice. So let's say I'm going to write Johnny Car Dealership. So let's say we're going to write it like this. From here, we're just going to increase the size. Once you increase the size, you're going to make sure to keep it in an appropriate sense like this. So just middle it out. And once it's like this, what you can do is you can actually change the font color. So, you could go green, you could go into any other color that they provide you, whatever you want. It's all doable. And now you can actually add effects into your design as well. So let's say this person here has added lift, but you could choose to add a shadow if you want to, but a lift works better. Then you could make a hollow design. It could be a splice. You could add outlines, create a glitch out of it, create echoes, make it neon if you want to, and a whole lot more. But I'm going to keep it on lift because that just gives it a generally good look. You can actually make your text curve as well if you want to, but I'm going to keep it like this because this one looks pretty cool. Now, once we have this set up, you can actually add more elements because right now you can see my design looks pretty dry. There's not a lot of things going on in it. So what you can do is you can actually go ahead and start adding elements around it. So let's say I want to go ahead and add this to my design. I'm going to increase its size like this, but you can see that it's pretty overpowering. It's right in the front and it's overpowering my design. I'm going to send it to the back, and once you send it to the back, you're going to go to the opacity and mess around with that. So as you can see, I lowered down the opacity. It gives a more realistic effect now, and you can actually go ahead and add more widgets that you would like to desire into your design. However you want to work with it, it's all dependent on you. The more elements you add, do know this, the more layers you're creating. So the layers behind your designs, obviously, to edit those, you will need to go ahead and remove all the layers that you see in front of you. So keep that in mind before, adding all the extra layers that we have over here. Now, moving on, once we're done with this, what you can do is actually integrate your design with different aspect ratios that we have over here. But once we're done with, the standard editing stuff, again, I'm simply going to go over to this, add some flair into it, move the design a little lower, and there we are. So basically, this is how you're going to generally be creating logos. And once you're done with this, what you can do is you can simply click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to click on download. And once you click on download, you're going to choose the generalized file type that you think works best. So mostly PNG works good with this, so I'm going to go with PNG, and we're going to click on download. And once you click on download, it's going to take like a few seconds to download stuff. And here we go. So now we're good to go. Now, if we click on it and check it out, look at that. Absolutely incredible, looks great, and just gives a good general vibe of the logo, and you can start using it everywhere now. Now, moving on, remember when I told you in the start that you can actually use elements in your Canva that actually give you good features like BG Remover, Magic Eraser, Magic Expand. But the thing is that this only works with the Pro plan. So let's go ahead and discuss the Pro plan, shall we? The Pro plan is something that you can get for $6.50 per month for one person, obviously. And obviously, you have the Canva free plan, which we were currently using. It's totally free and it works absolutely incredibly with great features and amazing stats on working on designs. Then you have Canva Teams, which is basically Canva Pro, but for up to 3 people. It's pretty incredible. And then you have the Canva Enterprise, where you can actually talk or contact the people at Canva to discuss the business with them. But yeah, these are the plans of Canva, and I would definitely urge you to get Canva Pro because it's pretty decent when it comes to pricing, and the features that it brings you for those prices are absolutely incredible. So yeah, that's the main idea of Canva and how you're going to be creating a logo with it and actually playing around with it, messing around with it as much as you want. So this is the basic idea of Canva and how you're going to be creating logos on it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.